It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm just starting my day at Solang Valley. I'm just going to explore the town and I'll keep you posted. It's a very sunny day. We'll be going to explore Ropeway and also we'll be exploring the town a little bit. So stay tuned. Ropeway was closed, so we took this road to Anjali Temple, and we are right now at Anjali Temple. There is a shivling which is made out of snow naturally, so I'm gonna take a couple of shots over there and I'll keep you posted. Eleven o'clock in the afternoon, heading towards resort. We'll check on the way if the ropeway has started, and probably we'll take some shots from there. So this is the point for taking a ropeway. The shooting was not allowed, so I could not shoot inside the ropeway. But then I can just show you the starting point. Now we'll head back to the hotel, and then we have plans of going to Gulaba Point. So I'll keep you posted. We are starting for this place called Gulaba. So we are gonna find snow over there, and I'm not sure like if there are some adventure sport over there, so I'll just try them out as well. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we have just reached the point which is the Gulaba point. And from here it's actually very crowded. Like you can see, like right behind me there are many vehicles parked over there. So we'll stay here for like a couple of hours, and we'll probably have a lunch over here, and then we'll move further ahead and probably like find some place where there are like not many people, and I'll just fly my drone and can take some drone shots. It's 5 o'clock in the evening, and we are still at Gulaba Point. This is a really nice point. You can see like there are snow patches everywhere, like everywhere on me, and also like all the mountains nearby are like covered with snow. We are heading back to the hotel now. We will probably have a bonfire at night, so I'll keep you posted. This is like fresh snow, and it's still snowing. Like you can see, like there is snowfall, and it's a very good experience. So Lang has been like a very nice experience for me. So I'll probably come back here again. Unfortunately, I'll have to leave today because I have to reach back to Delhi. So stay tuned. Susie! Susie!